Hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here. So today I have 3 of the world's thinnest iPhone 15 Pro cases that money can buy. They are from the company TAC. These are the standard 3.0 cases. I have all 3 colors here, as you can see. We'll slap these on my 15 Pro here and show you these each up close and personal. Now, if you go down in the description, it's buyatac.com. I will have a link for these, and if you use my promo code ROY10, you will get 10% off of your purchase. It's free shipping. These are 29 bucks, so like I said, less 10%. So I'm gonna kind of put these to the side real quick, and let's focus on this first one here. This is the black, so it's the Onyx Black color. Now, like I said, 29 bucks, super thin, guys. Ultimately, these TAC cases are gonna be really for the folks who are really a minimalist at heart. Maybe they want to slap on, for example, like a skin, but they don't want to maybe put a big bulky case on their phone. And that's what this will provide for you. So it's almost like for that person who wants to not have a case, but doesn't want to scratch up their $1,000 phone here. And I really am digging this Onyx Black color here. It's a matte black finish. It is super thin. I mean, it's basically not even having a case on your phone. But what I really love about the standard 3.0 case is not only how thin it is, the matte finish I really like because it feels good in the hand, but I also really like the camera bump design there. So only what needs to be exposed is exposed, as you can see there. So we got protection there. Now, another thing that I really like is that you actually get dedicated buttons instead of the cutouts like their other one that they have, which I'll be reviewing at some point on my channel. But I've always really liked the design where you have actual physical buttons on the case, because it just makes it a little bit more tactile, and I just really like the look. I prefer the whole actual case look versus cutouts and stuff like that. But very lightweight, very thin, as you can see here. And then even if you look like at the top down view, you can see, I mean, it literally doesn't even look like I have a case on my phone. That's how thin this case is. And just kind of looking at it all around, you see the cutouts there for the USB-C charging port and all that. Very slim. Just for fun, wobble test wise, no shaking, face down. Probably going to be some shaking back down, to be expected. That's kind of the norm with any case. But there's the Onyx Black. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy off. And the uninstall process is pretty dang simple as well. As you can see there, I don't even have like the phone pushed up against the table. I'm just peeling it off, and that is all she wrote. So let's go ahead and put that to the side there, and let's grab this frosted kind of clear color that they have. And there that is. And on my space black or black titanium, I should say, iPhone 15 Pro, this looks really clean. You can see in different lighting, you can see the Apple logo shining through, but it does give it a little bit of a different look. And if you had a different color iPhone, like the maybe natural titanium or something like that, you could get a little bit different styling here. But that's the look of the camera bump there, as you can see. So just like the other one, just a different color. You can see the buttons there. That's what they look like right there. And that's the look at the bottom there. So nice cutouts there. So with this case on, let's go ahead and do the clicky button test. Let's start with the power button first. Okay, volume up and down. All right, and action button. Oh yeah, very tactile. So all around, guys, if you like clicky tactile buttons that are very responsive, these buttons pass with flying colors, absolutely. So yeah, that's the look of the frosted clear color there. So now let's go with the next one here, and let's see if I can just take it off from the top here. Oh yeah, super simple, so no problems there. And let's go ahead and go with this gray color that they have as well. So it's not kind of like a natural gray. It's more of a kind of like a gunmetal gray, because it almost looks black. I mean, gosh, if you had it side by side, you can kind of see the color difference a little bit, but it is pretty dang dark. But in person, this looks very much more of like a gunmetal-ish kind of gray color. But once again, it really boils down to what color iPhone you have, or if you have a skin on it. So it does kind of change up the look a tad bit depending on what type of color of phone. But that's just the overall look there. There's the camera bump design. So that's what that looks like. The buttons there, cutouts. So all around, guys, very, very slim once again. I mean, like I said, just looking at it from the top down view, it looks like there's no case on. That's how thin this is. But just to make sure, guys, this is a minimalist case. It's not meant to be chunked up in the air 50 feet and expect it to protect your phone. It's just not designed for that. It's, like I said, designed mainly for people who want a caseless phone, but they're too chicken to do it, like me. Like, there's no way I can rock my phone without a case or something at least, but at least I got some protection with this. Now, since I have this case on, let me grab my MagSafe charger here. We're going to slap it on. And as you can see in here, it is MagSafe charging compatible. I knew it would be. It's a very thin case. And as you can see here too, it's finding with ease the actual magnets. Now, the strength is going to be off a little bit because it isn't a complete connection against the phone. So you're not going to be able to use it with accessories in your vehicle and stuff like that, unfortunately, just simply due to the fact that there is not any MagSafe magnets built into it. But they do sell these right here. So these are their MagSafe rings. So as you can see here, there's a white and a black one here. And you can totally just install these. And if you see here, there's a double-sided tape on the side. It's very, very sticky. And literally you just kind of put it where it's supposed to go, like the magnets will find it. And then if you had the double-sided tape taken off and you stuck it on there, then it is MagSafe charging compatible. The only downside to having something externally on this is that if you look a little bit closely here, you can see that it does stick up a tad bit because it is actually being placed on the back of the phone, but it's still very thin. And if you're holding the device, you can actually feel the actual rings on there. So it's not the end of the world, but it really just boils down to what you want out of your device. Do you want just a clean, minimalist look, or do you want to put a MagSafe ring on it? Maybe with the darker one, obviously black might look a little bit better, and it does. But once again, do you want to add this? Now, if you do, it's only $9, but like I said, if you use my promo code, you're going to get 10% off of them as well. But it does help because then it is MagSafe charging compatible across the board. You can use it with any accessories then, and it's going to hold extremely tight, which I really, really like. So just for jollies, I don't want to put it on this one because I really want to just use that color mostly. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the clear frost one. Let's go ahead and grab the white one here because this is exactly the color that I would want to put on there. And it looks like there's an actual little bit of a coating of some sort, like a little sticker on top of it too. So let's get this off here real quick. All right, so there we go. So now that is exposed there, and it looks like there is a little bit of a plastic wrap or something on the top as well that I need to peel off. So if you do buy this MagSafe ring, just realize that, which is not a big deal. You can see there. So peel that off so it's a little bit of a cleaner look. It is a high gloss white, which is fine. But what we're going to do is just kind of let it find the magnets. And there we go. So then now whenever I grab the MagSafe charger, it's MagSafe charging compatible, and now it's holding on instead of what it was doing where it wasn't holding on. So you just got to make sure that's pushed down nice and tight. As you can see there, the Apple logo is right in the center where it's supposed to be. Once you have it on there, it is a pretty strong hold. So like I said, it is a nice addition, and it does change the case look a little bit, but like I said, it just depends on what you want out of the case. All right, guys, there we are. There are the 3 standard 3.0 cases for your iPhone 15 Pro. Like I said, they do make these across the board for the iPhone 15 model. So if you have a 15, 15 Plus, or 15 Pro Max, then these are also going to be available. But like I said, if you use my promo code ROY10, you will get some discount. So big thanks to TAC once again for sending these out for review. So if you are someone, like I said, that's looking for a very thin case, then I definitely recommend not sleeping on these TAC phone cases. I've really enjoyed them over the years. I don't have any complaints about them. They are thin, they are lightweight, they do the job, and they're not super expensive either. So hit that like button if you like this video. If you loved it, please subscribe. Ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless. I'll see you on the next one.